Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the media and project settings so proxies can be rebuilt correctly. Open the library properties, then proxy preferences, and choose Create Proxies or use existing proxies. This ensures Final Cut knows how to reference files. Once done, inspect the proxy codec and frame size. Mismatched formats cause missing proxy errors. If media moved, relink clips now and make sure the proxy files are stored where Final Cut expects. Doing this first avoids wasted rebuild time. Now you relink and, if necessary, recreate proxies to restore playback. Select the offline clips, right-click and choose Relink Files to point Final Cut to the original media. This often resolves the missing proxy indicator. If relinking fails, remove the proxy references and choose File Transcode Media Create Proxy Media so Final Cut regenerates proxies with chosen codec. Make sure to use consistent settings like ProRes Proxy or H.264 at 1/2 or 1/4 size. Consistency prevents future mismatches. To finish, force the application to use proxies and confirm transcodes completed. Toggle View Proxy so Final Cut prioritizes proxy playback, and then check background tasks to verify all proxy generation finished. Editing before completion shows missing markers. If problems persist, clear render and cache files, restart Final Cut, and relink once more. This often clears stale references. One troubleshooting tip: if proxies still fail, inspect file permissions on the proxy folder. Incorrect permissions block Final Cut from accessing proxy files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.